Hello everyone! Thank you for all your hard work in your cohort meetings this week and for all your great work on your revision drafts. The ones that I've seen so far look great, so you've done a great job on those. Remember that we have peer review happening this week, and if you're confused on why we're still doing that with these sort of more creative revision projects, you can see the video from week 10. And you'll notice that the questions are a little bit different than they've been before. There's one thing that you like, one thing that you think maybe could be added, and also a clarifying question that is, how is this a big change from the original? It's kind of to make sure your partner is on the right track and they're not just checking their spelling and their grammar. So we got two big things to talk about in this video: where you're going to find your readings for this week, and what this revision memo is that we're including with our revision on October 30th. So you will note when you look at the syllabus for this week that none of these readings are from Writing About Writing. This first one here, The More Writing Process the Better, is from the other textbook, Bad Ideas About Writing. That's the free online one. And these two are both PDFs. And if you go to our homepage of eCourseWare, you will find that the link to this online textbook is right here, and the PDFs are right here. I've also included those two PDFs under content, in case that's where you're looking, and I am also going to send you an email just to make sure that everybody has access to them and sees where they are. So let me know if you're having any trouble finding your readings for this week. So, if we look back at this Giles reading here is about reflection, and that is really what this revision memo is going to be about. You'll notice when you're reading this article that it talks about an assignment that the author uses with her students, and that is pretty much exactly the assignment that we're going to be using for the revision memo that you're going to include with your final revision project. And in this article, it talks a lot about reflection, and you're going to read about that. But this kind of reflection, when you're doing a memo like this, helps you get some distance from your work. And what this is going to ask you to do is think about what you're trying to accomplish and whether you've done that. It also is going to help me know more about the changes you've made and what you were thinking about when you were creating this revision project. The PDF, Metacognition is Not Cognition, is pointing out an idea of thinking about thinking. So this assignment is also going to be asking you to do some of this metacognition. So thinking about why you made the choices you made, how you knew to do those sorts of things. Where are you going to find that assignment? Achieve will not allow me to add it to the revision assignment itself. I have tried everything I can think of, so I'm trying to find the least confusing way to do this. I'm going to be creating another assignment on Achieve that's going to be due at the same time, that's going to be labeled like revision memo. If you are confused about where to find it, please let me know. I'm hoping that we're going to have time to brainstorm and work on it during the cohort meeting, because this is kind of a little bit of a weird assignment that asks you to kind of look at your work very objectively. So, it might be weird, we're going to work on it then. So that is all we have for this week. Hope you have a good weekend. Office hours, remember, Wednesday 1 to 4 or by appointment, and let me know if you have any questions.